Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
When you're working on a multi-page document, there may be times when you want to have more control over how exactly the text flows. Breaks can be helpful in such cases, and there are many types of breaks to choose from depending on what you need, including page breaks, section breaks, and column breaks. So let's look at how to insert a page break. Place the insertion point where you want to create the page break. So I'll place mine over here. Then go to Insert tab and click Page Break. Click on the Page Break command, and as you can see, the text will be moved to the other page, just like that. And by default, breaks are invisible. So if you want to see the breaks in your document, click the Show and Hide command under Home tab. So under Home tab, this is the Show and Hide command. If you click on that, it will show you that you've inserted a page break over here. Now you can hide it if you want. So that's how you insert a page break. Now let's look at section breaks. Section breaks create a barrier between different parts of a document, allowing you to format each section independently. For example, you may want one section to have 2 columns without adding columns to the entire document. Now let's look at how to insert a section break. So let's say I want to insert my section break over here. So place the insertion point where you want to create the break, and then on the page layout tab over here, click on breaks command, then click on the drop down arrow. Then from here, choose whichever break you want to use. So I'll use continuous. Now this allows me to edit this document, and then the changes made on one side of the document will affect the others. So let's say I want to add columns to this side of the document. I'll just go to columns, then click on 2. And as you can see, the lower part of the document will be divided into 2 columns, just like that. While the upper part of that document will remain the same. It will remain untouched. So that's how you insert a section break. Now, you can also delete a break if you want to. Now, by default, again, breaks are hidden. And if you want to delete a break, you will first need to show the breaks in your document. So under Home tab, click the Show and Hide command, and then it will show where your page breaks are. So that's one. I have another section break over here. So far, I've inserted only those 2. Now, select or locate the break you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this, and place your insertion point at the beginning of that break, then press the delete key, and that break will be deleted just like that.